boy Vibes back here with another POV drop for y'all. About to tee up real quick, man. I feel like I ain't do a POV drop in forever, bro. But we back. I don't know who bro is right here, but this is Scat right here trying to tee up, get right. I don't know who he is, but we about to leave, bro. He twigging, y'all. I'm about to go downtown real quick. POV drive through the trenches. I'm lying. No trenches. We're going downtown. Yeah, I'm gonna take the next exit. Don't worry about it. I gotta start using my GoPro back, man, but I gotta buy me another MacBook charger, bro, because I broke my charger. Don't ask me how, bro. I don't know. I really can't even tell y'all. Let y'all hear the car. Get right. Feel like I ain't do a POV driving forever. We're gonna back this up real quick so I get the full experience of this. So I learned. So when you put it on personal and you turn off active trace control, you turn off active trace control, it helps with the life of your brakes, because you know when you turning this stuff, it initiates your brakes and stuff when you got it on. That's what I heard. I don't know how true it is, but I've tried it. I've been doing it, so I don't know the difference. I know personal is just like sport, but you know, I don't know. I'm not really gonna go crazy because the roads is slippery, and I'm driving with one hand, y'all. So yeah, bear with me. We good though. We good. It ain't one of them type videos today. It ain't one of them type videos today, y'all. The boys right there. So we gonna chill. We gonna try to take the next right or the left, cause yeah, we don't need them behind me. So we are gonna relax. But yeah, y'all, we downtown right now, man. Doing a little POV. You know how we do. Trying to get this footage for y'all, cause I know y'all love POV drives, man. Shit, I love them too. But yeah, man, it's nighttime POV drive through the city, downtown. You know, I feel like I ain't do one of these in a minute, man. It's been a little minute. Yo, I'm noticing y'all watch the videos, but y'all don't comment, and a lot of y'all don't be liking the videos, bro. Y'all gotta like the vids, bro. Y'all don't be liking the vids, bro. Do your homework on. Y'all gotta watch the vids, bro. Why y'all don't be watching the vids, bro? Like, we gotta get in the algorithm, y'all. Like, do your homework on. We gotta get in the algorithm. Y'all be tripping. Y'all tripping, bro. Do your homework on. Y'all tripping. Mad at y'all not even subscribed. Y'all not subscribed. And if y'all subscribe, y'all not liking the vids. Y'all on bullshit. Y'all on bullshit, bro. Y'all gotta do y'all due diligence, man. I'm doing my part. Y'all gotta do y'all part. Alright? Y'all gotta do y'all part, which is liking the video and commenting. Y'all gotta do y'all due diligence, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gotta do y'all due diligence, bro. We're gonna go this way today. I don't know it's straight. I feel like it's going back to the city. I ain't trying to go back to the city. What's going on, Radar? Talk to me. But yeah, y'all, I'm trying to I want to challenge myself. I want to see if I could do like 30 days straight. I could upload for 30 days straight. Because I already missed Christmas. Like day one, we on day 2 right now. It's December, so that's out. But I'm going to do like a 7-day challenge. See if I could upload for 7 days straight. I need y'all to let me know in the comments if y'all think I could do it. I don't know. I'm going to try it, though. I'm going to try it. But I don't know. I'm going to challenge myself, though. What is Buddy doing, bro? What are you doing, bro? What the fuck is Buddy doing? Holding everybody up, man. But yeah, man, it's a nice little vibe. They fixing up downtown and shit. Damn, I should go. Damn, I can't go right now. It's over with. Oh, what's down there? Sound like a Charger. Oh, he hitting that shit. They on the highway? If y'all heard that, shit, y'all know what I'm talking about. Sound like they was racing. Good old scenery, man. I don't know what it is, bro. I just love doing these type of videos, bro. I love POV drives, bro. I love them. Do your homework on. I love POV drives. And the couch might be right here. And there's 4 right here. So I'm going to chill. I don't need no tickets. I got to get over. It's the highway right here, so I ain't getting over to the highway. I wish Buddy would not drive so slow so I could get over. Buddy tripping. Buddy ass tripping. Who you honking at, gang? Let me just turn right, fuck it. I was trying to go straight, but I want to turn right anyway, so fuck it. But yeah, I try to minimize my talking, so y'all know, quiet just because I'm locked in. I don't want to, bore y'all to death with just, talking. I know I want to get straight to the action. Trying to get right. But yeah, my car is still stock. Only thing I got is a muffler delete. Few aesthetics, nothing too crazy. I am gonna get tuned soon. As far as tuning goes, I do wanna what else I wanna do? Heat exchanger, which I didn't do yet. I doubt I'm gonna lower my car for the simple fact that can I turn right here? No. Yeah, I could have turned. But yeah, I'm not gonna lower my car for the simple fact that I deal with bumps and roads every day. So I'm not gonna do that. This is the stadium over here. Oh yeah, why did I come this way, bro? But yeah. So for the simple fact of, me dealing with bumps and stuff like that on the day-to-day, I'm not gonna lower my car. So if anybody need lowering springs, just let me know, and you can have them. You can have them. Hold on, yeah, I got my window down, so I'm not gonna. Hold on. I ain't want them to see me recording while I'm driving. So That's why I did that, y'all. I turn right here. Fuck it. I'm fucking up today, y'all. I'm fucking up today. But yeah, if y'all made it this far in the video, man, just let me know. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications if y'all new. We do got a lot more content coming for y'all. Get y'all boys right. I'ma just make the next left I could. I need to go back that way. Man, that was a left right there. Yo, what about I do it, bro? I'm not locked in. I can't wait till I get what the fuck was I about to say? Oh, till I'm tuned. So I can hear the turbo spew. Don't at me in the comments, y'all. That's my fault. No, I did not want to get. Oh, never mind. Never mind. I was about to say, I did not want to get back on the highway. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoying the video, man. It's a little something, nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy, man. Downtown. Yo, and I'm looking for any other content creators that do car shit, bro. If there's any other content creators out there that wanna collab, you feel me? Just reach out, bro. We get lit. You know what I'm saying? Like, you ain't gotta worry about nothing negative on these sides, bro. You feel me? Shit straight authentic over here, and it's all love, bro. I'm trying to see everybody win, bro. You feel me? So, yeah, niggas pull up, man. I'm outside. I'm trying to, you feel me? Put myself out there, bro. You know, and get myself in better situations. You feel me? So if y'all niggas out there, y'all want to work, man, just hit me. You feel me? Just hit me up. But I'm gonna probably spin like 2, 3, 5 more blocks. And then I'm gonna end this video. I don't want to make this video too long for y'all boys. I am tired. I ain't gonna lie to you. But yeah. These lights be taking forever, bro. They gotta go. This is crazy. Don't worry about the caution sign on the dash. It's because of my tire. Y'all know, if you have an Infiniti, you know that red don't go away till like 3-4 days. So don't trip, y'all. It's only because of the tire. Radar going off because the boys up there. Yo, how much y'all think these buildings rent is, bro? These are high-end buildings, bro. I know they rent like 2 bands. At least. At least 2. Nothing less than that. Nothing less than that. Cut the vid every time I see the boys. They hear the intakes though? Not the intakes, the drop-ins. I got drop-ins, yeah. I ain't got intakes yet. True say, I feel like I don't need them. I don't think I need them. That's why I ain't get them yet. Downtown so lit, bro. There ain't nothing gonna give you that New York feel. Nothing gonna give you that New York feel. Right there. The boys right there. Oh shit. They in the cut with it too. They in the cut with it. Cut with it. They in the cut with it. I don't even know where I'm at no more. I know where I'm at. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a turn. No, it's not. Alright, y'all, that's gonna conclude this video, man. Hope y'all boys enjoyed. Love y'all boys. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Y'all boys enjoy the rest of y'all night, day, whenever y'all seeing this vid. I love y'all, and I'm out of here.